Hello, students. Hope you all are well and safe. A very heartfelt welcome to all the students who are looking at this part 3 of sources of food. In the previous section, we understood about sources of food: plant, which can be a source of food, animal, which can also be a source of food. Today, the topics that would be covered are classification of animals on the basis of their feeding habits. Let's know them. Classification of animals on the basis of feeding habits. As you can see in the picture, there are different animals. And as we see different animals, we understand that there are different food items or different food that they are relying on for their growth and development. Of course, we all know that we all need food to live. Plants and animals, they all need food. As we learned earlier, plants get their food by the process of photosynthesis using carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. But unlike plants, animals are unable to prepare their food. They depend on plants or other animals for food. Based on the type of food animals eat, they are classified into different types. Let's know them. Animals. They have been briefly classified into five major types: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, parasites. I'm sure you must have learned about herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores in your class 5. But don't worry, scavengers and parasites too can be understood easily. So let's begin. Herbivores. Some animals, such as cow, deer, elephant, and horses, eat only plants. Such animals are called herbivores or grass eating animals. Herbivores have sharp cutting teeth in the front and rows of flat grinding teeth at the back for grinding and chewing food. Animals that eat small plants near the ground are called grazers, and those that eat leaf, shoot, and twigs of a plant are called browsers. Very large animals like elephant, rhino, and giraffe are grazers and browsers. Next is carnivores. Some animals, such as lion, wolves, eagle, and vulture, eat only flesh of other animals. Such animals are called carnivores or flesh eating animals. Carnivores have sharp, pointed teeth to grip their prey and sharp scissor like teeth to cut the flesh into chunks which can be swallowed. They do not have flat chewing teeth. Carnivores birds have sharp, pointed, and curved beaks. These beaks help them to cut the flesh into chunks. Common examples of carnivorous birds are eagle, vulture, falcon, etc. Omnivores. Human, bears, crows, and cockroaches can eat plants as well as animals. They are called omnivores. as they eat both plants and animals. They have sharp teeth for eating meat and flat teeth for grinding. Omnivores have both kind of teeth, sharp and pointed teeth for tearing the flesh of other animal and flat grinding teeth to eat plant parts. As you can see in the picture, scavengers. Some carnivores and omnivores that eat dead animals are known as scavengers. Crow, vulture, hyenas are some of the examples of scavengers. Scavengers are very important. Why? Because they help in keeping surrounding clean by eating all the dead and decaying animals. Last in the row is parasites. Some very small animals that live on or inside other animals and get their food from them are known as parasites. Tapeworm, mosquito, bedbugs, leech are some of the examples of parasite. Hope you were able to understand the classification of animals on the basis of their feeding habits. In the next session, we would be learning about the food chain. Thank you so much for your participation.